Welcome back. This topic is momentum. Momentum is a vector quantity measuring mass and its motion. In everyday terms, we might hear about runners or cars or trains having a lot of momentum. In the two pictures in this slide here, we have a butterfly and we have a big truck, a big freight carrying truck. Let's just say that both the butterfly and the truck are traveling at the same magnitude of velocity. They have the same relative velocity. So they're both traveling quite fast. The butterfly is flying, and the truck is obviously driving down the road. They're both moving quite quickly. We generally say, or we would say, that the larger truck has a larger momentum. They might have the same velocity, but because the truck has such a greater mass, the truck would have a, therefore, larger momentum. And if we look at the actual formula for momentum, or the actual definition, we see that momentum, represented by the letter P, is equal to mass times velocity. The units for P, momentum, are kilograms times meters per second, or kilograms per meter per second. The other two units are mass and velocity, which we already know the units for, kilogram and meters per second. So we can see, if we look at this formula, so let's say we have momentum and we have a large mass with a small velocity. So that would be one situation where we'd have momentum, and then in the other case we have a tiny mass with a great velocity. So something like this would be like a bullet. A bullet out of a gun would have a very small mass but a crazy fast velocity. On the other hand, a train might not be going that fast, but it has a tremendously large mass, which is why it would also have a large velocity. So those are two other examples of momentum.